Did you know that Arctic wolves are crazy? Like, did you know that a group of Arctic wolves will isolate a muskox from the herd, then take turns biting its butt until it bleeds? And the blood gets into the snow. Or how about this one? Arctic wolves have been known to work together in packs to hunt down and kill Arctic hares. They'll chase the hares for miles across the ice, and the hares can only escape by jumping over crevasses, which are like little gaps in the ice. But the wolves, they don't care. They'll jump in after them and grab the hare before it can get away. These Arctic hunters are some of the most vicious predators on the planet, and they have to be. The Arctic is one of the harshest environments on Earth, and these wolves have to work together to survive. Did you know that Arctic wolves have a secret weapon against the deadly cold? They also use it to protect their pups from predators like bears and hungry humans. As soon as the snow starts to melt, the female wolf will seek out a rocky den, often one that has been used by her ancestors for generations. She will give birth to her pups. Then feed and protect them while they're still too weak to do it themselves. The male wolf will patrol the area, keeping an eye out for predators and making sure that everyone stays safe. And even though polar bears are their biggest threat, there is one thing that can scare them off: the sound of a human voice. That is why the Inuit people used to hunt wolves by calling out to them in their native language. The wolves would get so scared that they would run away, leaving the Inuit people to slaughter their pups. Did you know that an Arctic wolf can jump 32 feet in a single leap? That's almost twice the length of a blue whale. These incredible creatures are specially adapted to survive in the Arctic tundra of North America and Greenland. Their thick fur coats and small ears help them stay warm in sub-zero temperatures. And their paws are so big that they can easily walk on top of snowdrifts. But what's even crazier is that Arctic wolves can swim underwater for up to an hour and a half. They do this by filling their lungs with air and then releasing it into their bloodstream, which creates a layer of insulation that keeps their body from freezing. Talk about a wolf in sheep's clothing. These wolves are also surprisingly social animals. They live in packs of up to 30 wolves and have been known to form bonds with other animals, including dogs and humans. Here's a crazy wolf fact. Unlike other wolves, Arctic wolves stay white all year round. You'd think that they'd turn brown in the summer like most wolves do, but they don't. Their white coats help them camouflage into the snow, whether it's summer or winter. But there's more. When you see an Arctic wolf, you're probably gonna see a big white wolf. But when you see an Arctic fox, you're just as likely to see a brown one. That's because Arctic foxes have two coats. They have a thick fur coat that's white in the winter and a thin fur coat that's brown in the summer.